Good afternoon, everyone. This is David Newborn, and we will be discussing 3 steps to an easy haircut. And the first step will be essentially to find a person that needs a haircut. And for the purpose of this instruction, we are going to create a very, very close, low haircut, not quite bald, but something very low, very stylish. So we have here our victim. The next step is to have your materials, which includes clippers, edgers, a brush comb, guards, and a small brush. So the big brush is to assist with laying the hair back down as you're cutting. Mirror is for the person. Small brush is for clearing out the loose hair. And he's trusting his barber. Step 2 is going to be a going against the grain. This technique is simply taking the clippers and directing them in the opposite direction in which the hair grows. So by using this technique, it does create for a faster haircut at the end. And as you can see, I'm just going right along the edges. In this case, I started at the nape of the neck, maybe behind the ears, and I worked my way up. I'm using long strokes to remove the hair, and I'm using shorter strokes in order to clean up some of the patches. And so notice that there is a mirror behind the subject. This mirror allows the barber to see multiple angles of the hair. Because if I'm looking at the person's hair just spot on, there are things that I will miss. But if I look at the subject's hair from a mirror, it sometimes can reveal inconsistencies in the haircut that I can fix. So also part of step 2 is going to be cleanup. This involves the same technique as before, where I'm using the clippers to go against the direction that the hair grows. This takes out all of the little patches that maybe to the naked eye someone wouldn't notice, but the barber will notice and should notice. Little bitty patches of hair that may be at the bottom of the neck, places that can be easily missed. Using the brush to kind of lay the hair back down so that I can see it clearly. Most barbers would like to have an item in each hand at all times. This creates efficiency. Some barbers like to only use one hand, and that can make the process be twice as long as it normally should. Creating a very nice and clean look. Getting all the little patches out of the way for a nice consistent look all around the head, all around the scalp. Step 3 will be the edge. So if you think of the clippers as a mower, you think of the edger as an edger. And finally, we have a nice, clean look, distinguished look on this man. Not bald, but very, very low cut, very businesslike, very professional. And I think everyone would agree that this is a job well done. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Until next time.